Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2914 at Aloft Kuala Lumpur Sentral. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. That is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the left, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, do not disturb switch, as well as the main light switch. And to the right, as you enter the room, is the bathroom. The bathroom has a sliding door. And this is the view that you get from the front of the bathroom. To the left, you have a huge mirror which slides. On the left side, you have the wardrobe with towels, hangers, storage above, and storage down below. On the other side of the sliding door, you have more storage with in-room slippers. I believe that is the laundry bag. In-room safe, a plug for the hairdryer, I believe. The hairdryer is right there with more storage. And that is the sink area with amenities on either sides of the sink, which is right there. A mirror, the shaver plug, another mirror, hello, and you have hooks right there. Here we have the toilet. With the sliding door, which actually functions for either the toilet or the shower. And the shower is right here with only the fixed shower head right above. Okay, so further inside, we have the climate control panel right there. Here we have storage, ironing board, plug, an iron. I believe that is a torchlight. And right here we have the bedside table with a clock, your light switches with a master light switch. You have lights right above, some artwork. The bed looks quite comfortable. On the left bedside table, you have more storage together with the in-room telephone, writing materials, how to use the phone, a plug, and more light switches. Okay, so here we have a beanbag, an empty fridge, a luggage rack, tea and coffee making stuff with sugar, water, kettle and all that. TV remote with the channel list. Flat screen Sony TV. There is a sofa in the middle. And on the left, We have the desk area with the chair, the desk, a light. The bin is down there. Some, I think this would be, yep, hotel information. And here we have all the plugs and whatnot. Okay, so for the view, I get the Hilton, Le Méridien, and St. Regis view, together with all the hotel, the office buildings around the hotel. That is KL Sentral down below. And we can see a bit of the greenery in the distance, together with more buildings and whatnot. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2914 at Aloft Kuala Lumpur Sentral. Thanks for watching and goodbye.